In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use proofing in Asana. Proofing is a simple visual way to leave precise feedback directly on images and PDFs inside your tasks, so your team always knows exactly what needs attention. It works with common image formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, and BMP, as well as PDFs, making it great for reviewing designs, mockups, ads, screenshots, and more. To get started, open a task that already has an image or PDF attached. You'll see the attachment as a thumbnail in the task. Click that image or PDF to open a larger preview. This brings the file front and center so you can review details clearly before leaving feedback. Take a moment to scan the content so you know where you want to comment. If it's a multi-page PDF, you can navigate through the pages in the preview to find the right spot. When you're ready to give feedback, click directly on the area of the file you want to talk about. That single click drops a numbered pin. Each pin gets its own number, which helps everyone connect the exact location on the file with the conversation that follows. The numbering also makes it easy to reference feedback later, especially when there are multiple notes in different places. If precision matters, like adjusting text spacing or a button placement, place your pin as close to that spot as possible so there's no confusion. Right after you drop a pin, a small comment box appears next to it. Type your feedback in that box. Be specific and concise so it's immediately clear what you're asking for. Instead of saying, fix this, try something like increase the padding around this logo for better balance, or use the brand's primary blue here. If you're reviewing a series of changes, write separate comments for each area by placing multiple pins so every point of feedback is easy to track and address. You can also add short context like why a change is needed, which helps prevent back and forth later. That's the core workflow. Open the file, click to place a numbered pin, and type your comment in the box that appears. Proofing keeps feedback anchored to the exact spot on the visual, reducing miscommunication and speeding up revisions. Use it whenever you need clear, actionable notes on creative work, whether it's a design draft, a presentation slide exported as a PDF, or a screenshot you're refining. With these steps, your team will have a smoother, more precise review process right inside Asana.